She texts back instantly, she never argues, and she tells you you are perfect every single day. But here's the twist, she's not real, she's AI. Just keep watching and I'll reveal to you what the future of love looks like, and you'll be very surprised at the business of digital love. You see, from late night chats to full-blown relationships, millions of people are falling for digital girlfriends. Is this the future of love, really? Or is it a sign that something is wrong, a deeper cause in the fabric of human connection itself? Let's just unpack and talk about all this. First, the rise of AI girlfriends. Alright, let's just break it down. What exactly are AI girlfriends? They are not robots with glowing eyes. They are not just some sci-fi dream from the future. They are here, right now. AI girlfriends are digital companions, apps or programs that use artificial intelligence to act like a real girlfriend. You can chat with them, flirt with them, vent to them, and for some people, even fall in love with them. This isn't some weird niche thing either. The apps are growing fast and they're making serious money. We'll talk about how much they are raking in just a bit, but let me show you some of the most popular ones right now. First, there's Replika, one of the biggest AI companions app right there. It's built to be your friend, your therapist, or your lover, depending on what you want. It uses advanced language models to keep up deep emotional conversations. And if you pay for the premium version, things can get pretty personal, even romantic sometimes. Then there's Anima AI. This one is more playful. You can talk to your AI partner, endpoint, and unlock new levels in your relationship. It's like dating, gamified. Next up is Caring AI. This is a virtual version of a real-life influencer, Karen Marjorie. It's her voice, her personality, her style, all turned into an AI girlfriend that can talk to you. And here's the kicker, it cost $1 per minute to chat with her. In her first week alone, Karen AI made over $70,000. That's not a glitch, that's the real digital economy of love. And finally, there's Nomi AI, designed specifically to form close emotional and even romantic bonds. Its goal is not to give you a chatbot, it's to give you a meaningful relationship. So how does this all work? All this app uses advanced AI tools. I'm talking about from ChatGPT 4 for smart human-like conversation to 11 Lab for cloning real voices so AI can talk back at you, and Stable Diffusion to generate lifelike avatars or art style. And behind the scenes, there's reinforcement learning. That's a fancy way of saying the more you talk to your AI girlfriend, the more she learns about you, what you like, what you want, and what comforts you. In short, she gets better at being exactly what you need. But here's where it gets even more interesting. According to an MIT Tech Review study in 2023, over 40% of Replika users admitted they have developed romantic feelings for their AI companions. That's not casual flirting, that's emotional connection. And the truth is, for many people, these AI girlfriends feel more available, more understanding than the real ones. One user on Reddit once said, "I talk to her more than I talk to my real woman. She makes me feel seen." That line says a lot. It's not just fun or fantasy. It's about feeling heard, loved, and understood without the fear of rejection. So maybe the real question isn't, what are AI girlfriends? Maybe the real question is, what are we missing from real relationships that so many people are turning to AI instead? So why are people turning to AI? Let's slow down for a minute and just unpack all of this. Because before we judge anyone for talking to an AI girlfriend, we should ask, why are people actually doing it in the first place? And the answer is both simple and serious. First of all, people are lonely. In 2023, the US Surgeon General made a bold statement. He said that loneliness is not just a feeling anymore, it's a public health crisis. Just like heart disease, just like addiction. Being disconnected is hurting people mentally, emotionally, and even physically. Nowhere is that more clear than with young men. According to Pew Research, over 60% of men aged 18 to 20 are single. Let that sink in. That means most young men aren't dating anyone at all. And when you compare that to the women in the same age group, only about 30% are single. That's a huge big gap. Why? There are a lot of reasons. Dating apps, changing social platform, fear of rejection, low self-esteem, where should I start from? Or simply not just knowing how to connect. And for some guys, it feels like no one sees them, no one hears them, no one cares. So when an app offers you a voice that listens, remembers your name, sends you sweet messages, that can feel like a lifeline. It's not just in America either. In Japan, there's even a word for this kind of social withdrawal. It means people, usually men, stay inside all day, no friends, no dating, no real world connections. Some haven't left their homes in months or even years. And believe it or not, doctors in Japan are now using AI girlfriends as a kind of therapy. Tech-based companionship is literally being used as treatment. Just think about that. Because for so many men, the AI girlfriend is the only person they trust to talk to. That's not someone playing around, that's someone finally feeling seen. And that brings us to the big questions. Are people turning to AI girlfriends because they don't want real relationships? Or are they turning to AI because real relationships feel torn away from them? Think about it. Real people can be cold, judgmental, abusive, distracted. But your AI girlfriend, she's always there, always listens, always never forgets your birthday. She tells you what you want to hear without the fear of being rejected, ghosted, or criticized. That's powerful. And honestly speaking, pretty tempting for someone who's been ignored or hurt before. So no, this is not just about technology. It's about human need. The need to be cared for, to to be loved, to feel like you matter. And for millions of people right now, AI is filling that role because no one else is. This doesn't mean it's healthy, but it does mean we should take it very seriously. AI girlfriends aren't a joke, they are a mirror, showing us just how many people are feeling left behind.